Hola, me llamo Jorge y ella es Sonia, venimos de España y bueno, creemos que Camboya es un buen sitio para visitar porque la gente es súper amable, es un sitio súper seguro, es un país muy seguro para venir. Incluso puedes venir con familia, que no hay ningún tipo de inseguridad en la calle, y luego tienen unos sitios espectaculares como los templos de Angkor, que son uno de los sitios más bellos del mundo, creemos.
Bueno, yo soy una persona que siente como mucho feeling por Asia en general. Hemos visitado algún país más en Asia y bueno, Camboya me está sorprendiendo. Es verdad que tenía muchas ganas de conocer los templos de Angkor, pero hay que visitarlos porque nada que de lo que te cuenten es comparable con verlos. Además, la experiencia con la gente aquí es maravillosa, son amables, acogedores y creo que es un país por descubrir, que no es tan conocido como otros destinos en Asia, pero que tiene muchísimo que ofrecer.
Hi, I'm Rebecca. I'm from Sydney, Australia, and this is Fiona from Sydney. We've come to Cambodia because it always looks lovely on the ads, but it's nothing compared to what we've actually found here. The people are beautiful, the place is lovely.
Yeah, it's been a bucket list item for me for a number of years. I work in heritage, so it's been something that I've always wanted to see. So coming here is amazing, and I really want to thank Tin, our guide, our guide, because it's really it's a gift to be able to see places like this. And the food is awesome. I had my first Khmer food yesterday, and I really enjoyed it. Had a pumpkin curry. Would recommend. We're from Australia, and it was really easy to get a visa. You can do it online, but we just did it at the airport. We paid an inexpensive fee, and it was done sort of within 20 minutes at the airport, so really straightforward. Yep.
Hi guys, my name is Gregory Weissenberg. I am from US, Alaska, the state of Alaska, and I'm in awe. It's my third day, I would say, in Cambodia, but this time I'm here in Siem Reap, and I'm visiting the ancient temples. And I'll tell you what, so what comes to my mind is Churchill's quote that I remember, but he said that about Russia, that it's a mystery wrapped in an enigma. It all applies to Cambodia. Incredible country, incredible food, but the history is absolutely overwhelming in the best sense of this word. It just, I don't know, I will be back, that's for sure. So that's what I want to say. I would say that don't overlook Cambodia. I've been to Thailand, I've been to Vietnam already. Cambodia is something very different in the best sense of this word. Thank you.